Hi and welcome to the walk around video here at Your Next Car. So as always, we're going to begin with taking a walk around the exterior of the car. I'm going to show you through some of the features and options of both interior and exterior, and of course take a seat inside the vehicle and just go through some of the options in a bit more depth inside the car. The vehicle itself is the 430D M Sport GRAN Coupe and is presented in the fantastic Estoril blue. Alongside that, you will see as we make our way around the car, we've fitted the full Your Next Car and Performance body styling kit, along with fitting the very popular 405M 20-inch alloy wheels, which are all brand new with brand new tyres. The vehicle itself is a 2015 15 plate, as you can see there. It's also got the Angel Eye and xenon headlamps. Down the side of the vehicle, you'll see it's got the gloss black air breathers, gloss black sidebars, and the satin side vinyls, along with the YNC Mperformance decals. And we'll move on now to give you a quick glance at the interior, which for this vehicle is the black Dakota leather, which comes with not only the heated seat option, it also comes with electric movement and memory for driver's side. And again, as you can see there, exquisitely presented interior, which matches the very nicely presented exterior for this car. Moving towards the rear seats now, where of course on the GRAN Coupe variant of the 4 Series, such as this one, you have an ISOFIX 3-seat rear bench with a centre folding armrest and the darkened M Sport headlining, as you can see there, once again all in nice condition. The rear seats on this vehicle look like they've not even ever been sat in, which again is always a nice thing to look for when you are looking to purchase your next vehicle. Moving around to the rear of the vehicle, we've got a satin rear diffuser and a high gloss black rear boot spoiler, which sits on the automatic opening and closing tailgate, which reveals a very large boot space. If you've not yet seen one, you'll be very pleasantly surprised with just how much space you do have. Alongside that, you get a split folding seat option, and we'll quickly close that boot down, move around to the other side of the car, where again I can show you just how well these two colours do work. And again, the overall condition of this 430D is fantastic. And I'm going to head on inside the car to go over some of the interior features in a bit more detail for yourselves. Stepping on inside the car, just to quickly show you, there are the memory controls. So of course, always very useful if you are sharing the car with somebody else, specifically of course another driver. Starting the car up, we're immediately greeted by the professional wide navigation and media screen. And of course for yourselves, I'm going to run through just a few of the features and functions of that. But the main feature of that, of course, having that wider screen does give you quite a few more features and functions. The main few being that the navigation screen is obviously that bit wider, so it makes it a little bit nicer on the eye. And of course you are able to use the split screen function. Bluetooth audio and telephone on this car, along with DAB and a wide array of multimedia inputs, including the music collection, and your external devices takes care of everything from your Bluetooth audio right through to your USB and AUX functions. And if we head on back to the main menu, we can check out the vehicle service requirements and service status of the car, along with the digital service records that of course the BMWs now come with. As you can see, everything is highlighted in green. And if we go down to engine oil, you'll see it's not due a service for 6,000 miles. And if we scroll right up to the top, service history wise, we've got full BMW service history on this car. The current mileage is 49487, and as you can see there, right through to its first service all the way up to its most recent service, or most recent visit to BMW, was at 48039, and that was for a brake fluid and vehicle inspection. The time before that was in fact for a full service, including all of the filters. And as you can see there, it does say the vehicle inspection was overdue for 6 months, however it went back and had that very shortly after. Down here is the dual climate controls, which is where you'll find the switches for the heated seats. As well as that superb 3-litre diesel, we've also got the 8-speed sports automatic gearbox with the flappy pedals, cruise, speed limiter function, voice and volume controls, all on this very nice multifunction M Sport steering wheel, which again is all in fantastic condition. So with all of our walk around videos, I do hope you found it useful, and hopefully it will make you make an informed decision when purchasing your next car. Thank you for taking the time to watch the video. Of course, if you do have any questions or comments, please do drop them down below, where as always I'll be very happy to get back to you as soon as possible. You'll also find all of the relevant contact information, website links in the description, should you feel like you want to check the vehicle out in further detail. Most of all though guys, we do hope to see you very, very soon here at Your Next Car. Thank you and take care.